We are Sbem Pvt Ltd. We are established in 1974, based in Pune. Over the years, we have catered to the various industries. We are a leading manufacturer of level switches, level transmitters and flow meters. And starting, we have catered to the various industries like oil and gas, cement, public health engineering, and over the last 20 years defense sector has been one of our major industries, and we have developed various products all indigenously developed by our company. The ultrasonic level sensors, the phase capacitance level sensors, the fuel water sensors, then we have the tank gauging systems, and all these instruments are being regularly used by the Indian Navy, the various defense shipyards, as well as the other defense in public sectors like DMDE as well as DRDO are using our instruments. So Sbem is in the level transmitter and level switches. We are indigenously developing the sensors as per the requirements of our customers. We look forward to serving the defense sector in a long way, on a long road ahead. Thank you for giving this opportunity to give a brief intro of our company, and we are really honored to be participating in this exhibition organized by MCCIA, and we look forward to a long healthy relation. Thank you.